Among the many fascinating oddities of automotive history, few stories are as intriguing as that of the Kaiser Futura, a one-of-a-kind creation born not in a factory, but in the workshop of an imaginative enthusiast decades after its conception. This unusual vehicle traces its origins to an obscure American experiment in the late 1950s, when carmakers were exploring lightweight materials and futuristic styling. During that era, Kaiser Aluminum sought to demonstrate the possibilities of aluminum in automobile construction. To inspire manufacturers, the company commissioned celebrated designer Frank Hershey and his team to create a portfolio of concept drawings. These renderings showcased various vehicles, from sleek convertibles to elegant wagons, that emphasized aluminum's potential for form and efficiency. One particular design, credited to Reese Miller, stood apart from the rest. It was a compact, futuristic van with low proportions and a wide, glass-enclosed cabin. The sketch was labeled Waimea, and it became the seed of a remarkable story that would take decades to bloom. In the mid-1990s, a Minnesota car restorer named Harry Larson came across the old Kaiser promotional illustrations. After restoring several classic cars, he decided to embark on a completely original project to transform Miller's forgotten Waimea drawing into a real, drivable vehicle. Using a 1960 Corvair Lakewood sportswagon as the base, Larson began crafting his version of the Waimea from the ground up. The story of the Futura Waimea reminds us that even unrealized ideas can inspire generations later, proving that true creativity never fades, it merely waits for the right hands to bring it back to life.